Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. A few weeks ago, we covered the WS-1500H, which made me curious about its predecessor. So today, we'll take a closer look at the Casio WS-1200H fishing gear. It is available in several color options such as black, green and blue, and this one is variant code 3AV, featuring a green color theme. Right out of the box, the Casio WS-1200 looks cool with its rugged and sporty styling. The lightweight resin construction and flexible lock connection make it ideal for long-term wear. The large digits are easy to read, and the radar-like fish activity graph is interesting. Holding the watch, it feels solid yet light. The material appears to be of very good quality, as does the production and assembly. Here it is, side by side with the WS-1500. It looks much slimmer. I bought this from Amazon for about $22 at the discounted price, excluding shipping and customs. You can check the latest price or purchase it using the affiliate link that I will include in the description. The WS-1200H comes with the following specifications. The case size is 48.6mm lug to lug, 46.6mm wide, and 13.5mm thick, making it compact and wearable for most wrist sizes. The weight is 42 grams, ensuring comfort during long fishing trips. The case material is resin, enhancing durability without adding bulk, and then the band is polyurethane resin with a plastic buckle. The crystal is resin glass, which is prone to scratches. And yes, this watch has water resistance level of 100 meters, suitable for swimming and many water activities, including snorkeling. The battery life is approximately 10 years on a CR2025 battery, and the accuracy is 30 seconds per month. It also has full auto calendar up to 2099. Let's take a look at the modes and features it offers. The first one is timekeeping mode. It displays hour, minute, second, day, month, and date. It also shows the current fish activity graph on the upper display and the moon phase on the right. The next mode is fish level and moon phase. This previews the fish level and moon phase status over time. The fish level is calculated based on the moon phase, which affects the tide. Higher tides generally mean more active fish. The more fish displayed on the graphic, meaning the higher of the expected fish activity, making it a preferred time for fishing. And here's the moon phase that shows the status for the specified date. The next mode is stopwatch, features 1/100th of a second precision and a range up to 24 hours, with elapsed time and split time functions. And then the countdown timer mode, which has a range of up to 24 hours with settings for hours and minutes. It also features auto repeat. And then the alarm mode. It includes 3 multifunction alarms with a snooze option for alarm number 1. It also has an hourly time signal. And then lastly, the dual time mode. This lets you set a second time zone with hour, minute, and DST settings. And the good news is, the dual time on this one doesn't have any bug like my WS-1500. Now let's take a closer look at the case. The case has bulges on the left and right that help protect the watch from bumps and reduce the risk of accidental button presses. However, the front side is not protruding enough to effectively protect the crystal. It has minute marker bezel, which I personally cannot find the purpose except for decorative styling. And then the button markings are clear, and the orange marking on the lower right is a unique touch. One non-functional detail but looks very cool is the textured surface. The proportions of the display, bezel, and other elements feel well balanced, like a design that was well thought out before release. On the back, this watch has stainless steel backplate, secured with 4 screws and engraved with specifications. The resin band is connected to the case using 18mm spring bar. The interface is flexible, allowing it to adjust to wrist size and shape easily. It features a wave pattern for better air circulation, and then the buckle. It uses a double hook. While the watch is light enough that a single hook would suffice, the double hook adds stability and enhances the look. The outer texture looks great, and the grip dots on the tail end improve handling. The strap has a good thickness and flexibility, and looking at this very well made resin band, I would say it could easily be worth $20 on its own. Now let's talk about one of the most fun and interesting aspects of this watch, the display. The upper section features a fish activity graph shaped like a radar. This alone makes the watch very interesting and a great conversation starter. If I were a fisher or angler, I would definitely wear this watch. In the middle left is the minute graph, which moves every minute, and on the right is the moon phase indicator showing the current lunar status. The lower section displays the hour, minute, second, day, month, and date. Also includes small indicators for PM time, daylight saving, snooze, auto repeat, and so on. The backlight is an LED with an amber color located on the left side of the display. Although just one light, it is bright enough to make the display readable in low light conditions. And it has an afterglow effect and can be set to either 1.5 or 3 seconds. It has 4 textured buttons, adjust and mode on the left, light and search on the right. They are easy to grip and press. And the case design includes a button guard, which helps reduce accidental presses. Speaking of comfort and durability, this watch is very comfortable, lightweight, and the strap grips the wrist firmly. It has practically no overhang thanks to the flexible connection, and at only 13.5mm thick, it's possible to wear it under a long sleeve. The legibility is good, and the menu structure is not too difficult to understand. Regarding the durability, the water resistance and battery life are amazing, and the case feels sturdy. However, the resin crystal is not well protected, so scratches are expected with usage. But anyway, you can use Polywatch to polish the crystal, and with a flat surface, you can create your own display protector. Now about the pros and cons. On the positive side, number 1, it is lightweight and comfortable for long use. And number 2, it has fishing and moon phase features that are unique and interesting. And then the next one, the water resistance are very good for outdoor use. Number 4, it has excellent battery life. And then the last one, it has high quality strap with a great design. On the other side, here are the things that you might want to consider. Number 1, it uses resin glass, so it is prone to scratches. And then there are decorative minute markers that may feel unnecessary. In conclusion, the Casio WS-1200 fishing timer is an affordable, feature-packed watch perfect for anglers and outdoor enthusiasts that looks very good. Although it uses the scratch-prone resin glass, but its lightweight build, unique features, and long battery life make it a solid choice for the price. If you're looking for a practical and rugged timepiece with a bit of fishing spirit, then the WS-1200 is totally worth considering. And maybe I'm a bit biased due to my wrist size and personal preference, but I would personally recommend this model over the WS-1500. The radar-shaped fish graph, the slimmer size, and very good looking resin band won me over. That's all for now, thanks for watching. I will also make the basic settings and also detailed tutorial, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.